This lab is a little bit tricky, so I want to make sure you know how you're going to do it. It's an important lab because it's going to show us there's a connection between the wavelength of a wave and the frequency at which the wave was produced. So let's take a look. Okay, you're going to start by opening up the program found here. So you just click on this and open up the program. And at this point, I want to show you how to set your frequency because it's a little bit tricky. So you hit change frequency and you decide what frequency you want your wave to be produced. So you're going to produce your frequency by tapping your mouse or your hand, depending on what you're using, on this button at the frequency you want the wave produced. So if I want the wave to be produced quickly, I give it 3 quick taps. Try to make sure you stay consistent with your rate of tapping. These waves are now being produced at the exact same frequency as I tapped. Before your final one leaves the screen, what you want to do to get your frequency is count your number of cycles. And again, start at 0. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice if you can capture the circle right in the middle about to form, that would be the best for doing this. So we got 20 cycles in a time of 7.914 seconds. Make sure you convert them into regular seconds. So that is how you establish your frequency. To establish your wavelength, you just measure the distance between 2 waves. And again, the scale down here shows you how far it is for 100 meters. So each of these tiny little blocks represents 10 meters. Okay, so once you're done your first trial, you could then just hit end, change frequency again, and this time make sure your frequency is different than what you picked the first time. So tap out a different frequency. You can see now my frequency is a lot lower. Again, I want to let this go. I don't want the first wave disappearing, but at some point I want to pause it. Again, try to capture the red dot just in the process of formation. Count starting with 0, 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 cycles in almost 11 seconds. All right? So I hope you understand how you're getting frequency, and I hope you understand that to get wavelength, you just measure the distance between 2 successive waves. We want to find the connection between these 2. Good luck, and if you have any questions, come and see me during McCulley 1.